Hello, my friends. Hundreds of thousands of tons of horse meat are consumed every year in countries around the world. The billions of dollars earned from the horse industry contribute to the economy. Countless machines are available in the hands of farmers. The choices can seem overwhelming. Are you curious about it? Let's learn how farmers are harnessing the power of robots and heavy machinery in the agriculture and food industry. Horses usually breed in the spring from February to May, when the weather is warm and the horse food is abundant. Immediately after giving birth, the mother will lick the baby to clean it and help it stand up. The process of raising and caring for horses is a magical and complex journey that requires profound attention and knowledge from the owner. Understanding the needs and characteristics of horses not only helps maintain health, but also creates the best living environment for these animals. Processing horse meat is a complex process and has many specific steps, all aimed at ensuring food quality and safety. A delicate combination of manual skills and machines support to ensure efficiency and cleanliness. Do you know why this type of meat is so popular? Research shows that horse meat usually has less fat than beef and contains more protein, and lower cholesterol levels than beef and horse meat, potentially reducing the risk of heart problems. That made horse meat very popular. Are you surprised by the sheer power of the robot in the strawberry garden? The robot picks strawberries using AI, allowing harvesting in multiple rows at the same time. After harvesting, strawberries still retain their color, freshness, and nutrients. The food technology industry has researched and provided the market with freeze-drying technology. Dry the strawberries for the required amount of time until they become dry and crispy. Freeze-dried strawberries can be preserved much longer than fresh strawberries. Freeze-dried strawberries are a convenient snack that can be taken on long trips when a freezer is not available. Finally, the finished freeze-dried strawberries are carefully packaged before being sent to the market. Imagine walking into a modern facility where modern lines are used to sort and package strawberries. As the berries move through the line, they are gently placed into environmentally friendly packaging. ready to bring a fresh feeling to consumers everywhere. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Do you know the name of this pig breed? They're a breed of black Iberian pigs, also known as Spanish pigs, famous for their meat quality and exceptional fat layer. It plays an important role in the production of the famous Iberico smoked meat. Iberian pigs enjoy the benefits of nature, such as sunlight, along with the opportunity to move freely and reduce stress. Let us enter the wonderful world where the famous Iberico smoked meat is produced. The single most beautiful part is the large hind legs, reserved for making ham. The ham is buried in salt for 15 to 20 days, depending on the weight. The feet spend about 2 months in a temperature-controlled room. The final and longest processing stage is in the wine cellar. On average, an Iberian ham takes several years to reach its best flavor. Iberico ham is one of the most expensive meats in the world. With its exceptional flavor and exquisitely marbled layer of fat, Iberico ham has established itself as the tastiest meat. Next, we'll harvest tomatoes in the beautiful Sacramento Valley. Harvested tomatoes will be used to make tomato sauce. This product is very popular and is a great way to preserve tomatoes. First, tomatoes are basically cleaned before moving to a professional cleaning line. The system moves continuously to completely remove dirt and remove damaged tomatoes. The conveyor system removes tomato skins after they're steamed in a steamer. Tomatoes are chopped to prepare for blending. This is what happens at a ketchup factory. Spices are finely ground tomatoes that have been blended to become tomato sauce. We'd love to hear which moments resonated with you the most. Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below.
Hey, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, click the like button and subscribe. And of course, if you have any comments, you know where to leave them, just below. Okay, I hope to see you again in tomorrow's next great adventure.